Watch this video and learn how to draw a really cute bear. Later on, Artie gets a call from his friend Marty Monster. And watch to the end to see one of Mikey Marker's hysterical joke breaks. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, everyone. It's Artie's show!
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello! Welcome to Artie's show. I'm Artie.
Well, that was a nice welcome, Artie.
Yeah.
I can tell you're in a good mood.
Yes, I'm in a very good mood and I'm ready to make some art.
Well, that's good to hear. Let's get started.
Yeah, let's do a drawing.
Good idea.
Okay.
It's a pleasure to see everyone.
The pleasure is all mine.
Are you ready to get going, Artie?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I've had an idea. Let's draw a really cute bear.
Okay, let's get going. Woohoo! Yeah.
I wonder what Artie is going to draw today.
Let's start drawing our bear's eyes. A little circle towards the top of the page on the left side, and then another circle inside that one, and shade that one in black. Great job, Artie! How about another eye on the right side? You've drawn a lot of eyes. You should be pretty good at them.
Yeah.
You're an eye expert. Or an eye spurt.
Ew.
Okay, that's the two eyes drawn. Now let's add some cute little eyebrows just above. And if Artie's drawing a little too quick for you little artists, here's a message from Barry.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing.
Thanks, Barry. Very helpful. Okay, Artie, let's add a cute little oval-shaped nose. Draw a tiny little circle in the top left of the oval, and then shade in everything else black, but leave that little circle white.
Why?
Well, it makes his nose look shiny or wet. It looks like a little reflection.
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
How's my favorite artist? I love that drawing. That looks so good.
Thank you.
Let's hop to it.
Okay.
Now draw a straight line down from under the nose and then a big smiley shape underneath. Let's draw an oval shape around the nose and mouth. We'll start with a curve on the left. Go a little bit higher, Artie. There you go. And then do a straight line across the top. That's it. Now let's curve down the right side. There you go. A little bit more towards the bottom. Perfect. And then connect the two ends together with a nice curved bottom shape.
Oh, it's a felt time. Yay, yippee. Oh. Okay, Artie's here.
Hi, Artie, and hi to all my favorite creative kiddos out there.
It's so great to see you, Marty. Did you know you're one of my favorite monsters?
Me? Really? Is it because I'm orange?
Yeah, orange is one of my favorite colors. It's so bright and happy, just like you.
Aw, thanks, Artie. You know, orange is my favorite color too. It's a color of sunshine and pumpkins. And guess what? Carrots.
Yeah, Bunny Fluffington would agree with you on that one. You're right. Orange is such a fun color to draw with.
Speaking of drawing, what are you planning to draw in the near future?
Next week, I'm going to draw a happy sun. And guess what color the sun's going to be?
Blue? No. Wait. Green?
No, Marty. Orange, of course.
Phew! I was just testing you. An orange sun sounds perfect. Can I see it when you're done?
Of course, Marty. I'll send you a photo.
Awesome! And hey, Artie, if anyone asks, tell them Marty says orange is the official color of creativity.
I love that. Thanks, Marty. I better get going. Bye.
Have fun, Artie! And tell all your viewers, keep creating, and don't forget to use a little orange.
Mikey, this is so much fun.
I told you it'd be great.
Oh, this is the best day ever.
It was very nice of Marty to call, wasn't it? Okay, now let's draw the outside shape of our bear's head. Keep watching because Mikey Marker's going to do one of his joke breaks. Now, Artie, give our bear a nice forehead. Now try and draw the same on the right side that you did on the left side, but reflected as if looking in a mirror. That's it. Try and match the shapes exactly. Perfect. Carry on the curve on the right side, a little bit more on the left side, and then join the two with a nice chin. Very good, Artie. I think we should give him some nice big oval-shaped ears. One on the left.
Wow, that's a really swell drawing, Artie. It makes me want to sing.
Thank you, Barry. Thanks for dropping in and singing. Now draw another little oval shape inside the ear. And now let's carry on and do the right ear. Same shapes, big oval, and then a smaller oval inside. Let's carry on with the theme of ovals and draw his left foot, a nice cute little oval shape.
Oh, can we please have a joke break?
You want a joke break?
Yeah.
Well, I don't see why not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mikey, joke break.
All right, welcome back to the Comedy Club. I'm your host, Mikey Marker. In case you don't know, I'm the star of the Artie show. Just don't tell Artie. All right, let's start it off with some jokes about animals. So, why did the leopard stop playing hide and seek? It's because he's always spotted.
I love a good joke break.
All right. What do you call a pig that does karate? A poke chop. All right, what kind of sandals do frogs wear? Open-toed.
Oh, Mikey.
Very funny, Mikey.
Mikey made funny jokes.
He made me laugh really loud. Should we finish the drawing?
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Let's draw another oval shape around the first one to give him a bigger foot. And this creates a little cute pad shape in the middle. Same again on the right side. Start with the smaller oval. That's the pad of his right foot. And then another oval around it. This is going to look so good when it's coloured in, Artie.
It sure will.
Such an amazing artist.
Well, that was nice of you to say, Betty. Now add a little curved line up from the top of the foot on the right, and the same on the left, and a smile-shaped curved line along the bottom. Let's draw a little frown-shaped line on his tummy, and then another two curved lines left and right for his arms. You know, Artie, he looks pretty finished to me.
I finished.
I thought you were.
Yeah.
He looks so cute.
Yeah.
He does.
Yeah.
It's a nice drawing.
Yeah.
Now what?
Oh, I think I want to color it in. Yeah.
Great idea.
Okay.
Color it in, color it in, color it in.
What a great job,
Yeah.
Artie. Is he all finished?
All done. Coloured in.
He looks good.
Yeah.
You made him look so fluffy
yeah.
and so cute. I
Yeah.
want to cuddle him. Great job.
We hope you enjoyed today's show.
And we hope you come back and see us tomorrow. Have a great day, little artists.
Bye.
Wasn't that so much fun? Yay! Thank you for watching, and please watch again and have an Artie day. Bye-bye. Bye.